Birds are a group of warm-blooded vertebrate animals that make up the Aves class, which have feathers, toothless beaks, reproduce through the hard-shelled eggs they lay, have a high metabolic rate, 4-chambered hearts, and a light but strong skeletal structure. Seagulls are large birds, usually gray or white, often with black markings on their heads. They are brave, have a long beak and webbed feet. They are large, bulky-bodied birds. Their height is 25 to 80 centimeters. Whatever color pigeons are, their eye color is clear. We only see black eye color in white pigeons. Pigeons can be crested or crested. All of their colors have crested and crested ones. In these pigeons, the crest is always broad in what is referred to as ear to ear. Known as the hill pigeon, the pigeon starts from under the neck and completely surrounds the neck. On both parts of the hill, there are formations known as the hill rows. Female pigeons generally give birth to 2 eggs and incubate them. Even if it is not very well known, they also incubate 3 or a single egg. The budgerigar is a domesticated bird among the parrot species. It is the only species in the Melopsittacus genus native to the Australian continent. These small, long-tailed birds generally have green or yellow plumage in the wild and black scalloped stripes on their wings. Undoubtedly, every person has had the opportunity to experience parrots live at least once in their life. They can be found in the wild as well as being fed at home. These animals, which come from the Cetacea family as a bird species, show many differences, especially in color and size. What all species have in common is their hard, pointed, agile, and strong beak structures. So much so that they can use their beaks comfortably in climbing events. Make sure you don't want to touch that beak in any way. As a matter of fact, in security situations, they use their beaks as their only protection. Many features of these creatures are waiting for you in the continuation of the article. A wandering and resident bird, the bullfinch spans the entire temperate zone of Eurasia, from Great Britain to Japan. It lives in pairs. It feeds on seeds, stores seeds in its nest for the winter, eats the buds of fruit trees when the food it stores in the spring is gone. 3 times a year they hatch and feed their young with small invertebrates. Lovebirds are the most popular domesticated bird species after parakeets. Extremely beautiful and intelligent, these little birds have been used by 100 people for a long time and are among the favorite African parrot species. For those they prepared, this is not surprising at all. Once you start feeding, you will understand that it is perfectly normal for lovebirds, which are very fun and affectionate housemates when fed correctly. Crows are medium-sized, black and intelligent songbirds with strong feet and straight large beaks, forming the genus Corvus from the Corvidae family. Larger ones are called crows or ravens. A chick is a chicken or a rooster chick. When the chick grows up, it becomes a chicken. A female bird from the family of pheasants, of medium size, with a flattened body, strong beak, scraping feet, short or round wings. The male is called a rooster, the newly hatched baby is called a chick, and the younger one is called a chicken. One of the most curious information about owls is how they hunt. Owls are birds that hunt at night. It follows its prey in great silence and hunts in the dark. Since their ears and eyes are very sensitive, they do not need much light. Owls don't flutter their wings while flying. The feathers of the owl have a silencing effect and prevent the sound of wings. The peacock is the name given to 2 species of birds in the genus Pavo in the pheasant family, Phasianidae. During courtship, the male peacock is known for its unfolded tails. The female peacock has a bright green neck and a brown or gray-toned body. Duck is a species of bird in the family of winged birds. These animals are known for their long flight abilities and their herd migrations. They are also known as very good swimmers. The Latin name of ducks is anis. The domestic duck is also different from the wild duck in that with the loss of strength in the wings, it has almost completely lost its ability to fly, which is shorter and lighter. This is interpreted as a phenomenon of evolutionary adaptation because these birds have to be fed, they are fed by humans.